Hi, in this recording, we're going to walk through the configuration settings and setting up your map for your club or multiple maps. So that is done through the configuration settings and the resource tab. And you can assign multiple different maps to your organization depending on what your club needs to set up. So here I've set up a couple different assignable resources. I'm going to click on Moorage, and then under Files, you will see a resource map. So I've already uploaded a map. If you haven't, you can click upload here. It'll upload a map. And then once you're ready, you can click customize. And that brings up the map editor. So in this case, I can drag and drop different assignable resources. So you'll already go through, you'll create the resources. And then once you're ready, you can move them into different places. So if I click place, I can put the arrow there or the cursor there. I can also drag. I can adjust this and just move that up just a tad so each of those fit in there. I can also change the size. So here's a circle. I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger so they all kind of fit right in there. So there's circle, there's pin, which looks like that. There's the boat. The one that I really like, there is the name badge, which looks like that. I also like this label that has the label. And then I can determine, oh, and the last one is the nameplate, or the name only. So you can have each of the names show up there. So we're going to go back. We're going to pick this single line one. And then from here, I can say I want no label. So then it just names the slip. If I hover over it, it'll show me who's assigned into that spot or if it's available. I can have the spot name. I can have the show the assigned user, or I can have the user's initials, which I like that one. And then I can also from here show on the resource, show the resource name. So that added the spot. And then if I want to show available, so now it shows available. So I think I kind of like it looking like that. So then basically I'm just going to move these around so they all show up on my map where I want them. And this one we're actually going to kind of angle in there. So if I want to angle it, we're going to go right like that. Now we're just going to move this over here just a little bit. And we'll just arrow it down. So there, I think that's kind of the way I like my map. I might make them just a little bit smaller. There we go. And so now once I'm done, I'll click done. And now if I go to the resource tab, I will have a list view, I have my timeline view, and then I have my map view. So there is my Moorage map that I just updated. So now if I go in and I assign a user or remove a user, it will show that user in that spot. So if I want to assign A2, and we'll find my user that I'm going to assign, which is Jamie. I'm going to assign it without a resource. And we're going to select A2, and that's going to be a temporary or a permanent spot. So I'm going to click assign.